speaker from the debate parliament will talk about issue debate. With our motion today is the importance of sex education in the school education curriculum. But before we go to our motion debate, let us go to introduce myself and my partner. My name is Ignacio Solari. I am the chairman and my partner. And then for the next, let me introduce to our debate participants. For the everybody team.
Alright, my name is Monica Sinatra, speaker one affirmative chair. My name is Mario Shenanitu, I am speaker second and affirmative. Hello, my name is Anna Musata, speaker affirmative. Okay, I am Johnny Pani, a speech from affirmative team.
Okay, for the next from the opportunity.
Okay, my name is Anna. I was speaker one from outside.
Okay, my name is Yuni Juliana Kuto. I speaker second. I in outside. Okay, my name is Notapea. I speaker third from outside. My name is Sinama Murta. I speaker four. I am from last speaker from outside.
Okay, from the educators, please introduce yourself.
My name is Sri Prasadi. Again, educators from
Okay, my name is Peter Johan. I am the second educator. I educate one from affirmative team. I am educator two from affirmative.
Okay, that's all from my our interaction, and then let's go to the most topic. From the speaker one from the team, I is yours.
Sex education is an educational principle to raise awareness about various sexual things and concepts in life. The goal is to raise awareness about sexual transmitted disease and sex practice. Sex education is essential as a goal because it involves students about reproductive health, innate organ, elucidations, and sexual transmitted disease. It also raises awareness in order to protect people from misconception about various sex-related issues. Dari isu-isu yang terdengar pada akhir-akhir ini itu kan banyak tentang sex education yang dimana korban yang kebanyakan adalah anak-anak. Maka pentingnya sex education itu diturunkan dalam sekolah.
Okay, for the next is the second speaker from Brazil.
Okay, now talking about sex education. In general, sex is not education to us, but sex is action. Why that? Because sex is not about theory, but sex is about action. Atau apa yang dilakukan. So, if we talk about education, if we talk about curriculum in school, how do you think? Is needed if sex education will be entered in a curriculum in school. But I think if we study about sex education in school, we already in our future will be there with students to sex education enough of relationship. So we just only get into sex if we get married.
Okay, for the speaker from Brazil, and then the second speakers from
Okay, it is true that sexual relations are only designed for adults who are married and have toxic menurut saya. Pembelajaran yang difokuskan pada pembelajaran yang berbasis kurikulum tentang aspek kognitif, emosional, fisik, dan seksualitas.
So, according to your argument, I want to ask you. So, how can you sex relationship without relationship? Bagaimana cara seorang itu melakukan hubungan seksual? Kita dapat mengenal. Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you for your question. My answer that difference behavior itu perilaku menyimpang. Because that's why the end of sexual education in school is to equip and make children aware of the importance of maintaining their health, welfare, and dignity by instilling self-protection in developing good social relationship. Jadi itulah sebabnya tujuan dari pendidikan seks itu ada di kurikulum pembelajaran. Biar nanti pernikahan dini yang hamil itu nggak terjadi. Di sekolah itu sebabnya di sekolah perlu ada pelajaran seks itu untuk mengantisipasi hal-hal yang tidak diinginkan.
I don't blame your opinion. However, we need to know the children that their developmental age are still trying to recognize themselves as we are worried that when children are taught about what sex, they must be able to respond well with actual threat and negative stigma in the child mind because teenage children have thought that are relatively easily influenced by their things. Jadi dari menurut pendapat kami itu nggak penting diajarkan karena takutnya ketika si pendidik mengajari materi itu kepada si murid, takutnya mereka bisa memanage pikirannya atau mengontrol dirinya. Kayak mereka menganggap ya udah pelajaran dia itu kayak kesalahan kayak gitu. Jadi memang ini penting dipelajari, tapi kayak lebih baik dipelajari diajarkan oleh orang tuanya atau dari keluarga-keluarga terdekatnya. Memang beberapa dari negara mengatakan kalau ini penting dipelajari, tapi kayak baru tadi yang lebih baik diajari oleh keluarganya dan orang tuanya. Terus kalau memang mau dipelajari di sekolah lebih baik dimasukkan ke mata pelajaran biologi, tapi nggak langsung ke mempelajari tentang seks itu, tapi dipelajari kayak tentang kesehatan atau organisme tubuh kita.
Okay, so my opinion from speaker to from proceeding, and then maybe you get the third speaker from everybody.
Okay, I think that is the reason why sex education must be taught in the school. Maybe so every child correct understanding of what is sex. Because basically there's not sex ed, but discussing gender before, gender must be with correct understanding of what is sex. Menurut kami, seks itu perlu dipelajari. Biar untuk anak-anak atau zaman sekarang itu, biar anak-anak untuk belajar tidak salah menggunakan itu seks. Tapi bagaimana sekolah itu mengajarkan bahwa seks itu apa jenis seks itu dipelajari dan bisa digunakan.
Okay, thank you for the speaker from everything, and then maybe from the third speaker.
Okay, we don't disagree with the idea because sex education is not my curriculum in the world of education. However, children do not have to be taught what is sex because they don't understand the mind is when part of a soul. So it is that we must consider today. Jadi pendidikan seks itu pendidikan seks bukan kurikulum utama dalam kurikulum pendidikan. Namun anak-anak juga tidak harus diajarkan apa itu seks. Jadi
perbedaan nilai dan pandangan mengenai peran sekolah dan keluarga dalam bentuk pemahaman seksual pada anak-anak. Jadi pendidikan seks itu juga harus dipertimbangkan lagi. Jadi di dalam pendidikan seks di sekolah itu harus dipertimbangkan lagi.
Okay, after the break, thank you for the third speaker from the affirmative team and then positive team. And then let's continue with the next session about replying space. Let's go from the positive team. I'm sure.
Segregation should be the responsibility of parents of schools. This may violate certain religious and cultural values. It is better to focus on more general education.
Okay, continue with the replying from the affirmative team.
Okay, sex education is important to provide students with accurate and safe knowledge about body, pregnancy, and reproductive health. This helps improve everyone age, pregnancy, and the spread of sexually transmitted disease. Jadi, sex education ini perlu dipelajari karena agar anak-anak tahu kan ketika masuk sekolah sana anak-anak tuh sering melakukan sesuatu yang nanti tidak. Jadi perlunya adanya sex education ini agar mereka mencegah misalnya pernikahan ini atau apapun itu. Jadi penting sex education dipelajari. Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you for all the participants in here. Please give up time